What it do? It's your boy, Big Fam, going ham. And you know we slamming. Baby, let's get it. You heard me. But anyway, a couple of videos ago I did my potatoes. And I told y'all I had one of my big ones left, which I have let die out pretty much all the way. But at first, honestly, I was like, I'm going to just pull them up because I don't feel like doing no video. But I said, you know what? You got to do the video. So here we are. But anyway, if I can get y'all down here, as y'all can see, it has died down. So what I'm going to do, because I forgot to get something to pour it out on, I'm pretty much just going to pull them up, see what we got, and we're going to go from there. So we're going to start over here. Shut that off. Little babies. They like it. They're trying to grow some more, but it died off. And there's nothing really coming up. But I got a thing here to put some dirt in because I can't really pour it off. Whew. Alright, see. Let's get down in here. Okay. It's a nice one. Hey, my sign 4141 24. I think I put 3 potatoes in here, it says. April the 1st. But I took one out. I remember that. Okay, we got another little fella. Oh, that one is, ugh, it's squishy. I'm gonna throw him out. Alright. Alright, ooh. 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 Okay. It looked like that one was trying to grow. What in the world? Alright, there's 3 nice ones. Alright, I see a few more. Y'all see them in there? Trying not to damage them. Oh gosh, y'all, we losing potatoes. Wow. That's no good. Wonder how that happened. Whoa. That's 3. 4 more. Okay. A little smally. Oh yeah. We've lost a big one. How? Maybe too much watering. That's all I can think of. There's the rest of it. Wait, where did it go? Get that out of here. Okay. All right. Yeah, we lost a couple of them. And see, that's the thing. It's like, they say not to water them too much, which I didn't. At least I thought I didn't, but maybe I did. Wait. Let's loosen this up. Okay. So far, so good. I mean, it looks like that's gonna be it. Oh, a little small one. Yeah. So it looks like I lost about 3 of them due to too much watering and rain, I guess, because the last ones in the video I showed y'all, they was kind of dry. And now this one is kind of too wet. So I'm learning as I go. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13 life-size potatoes. And I can smell that rotten one. Oh, there's another rotten one, that's why. Wow. That's crazy. Well, y'all, that was just a quick video of the last potatoes. But I do have more planted. So we're gonna see how that turn out. But for now, I'm just going and take care of these. Fill up my water buckets for my water. Do a couple more things around here. And it's a wrap for me. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. I know I told y'all when I did it, I will show y'all, but it's decent. I'll take it. Out of 3 potatoes, that's what I get. And I lost some, I'll take it. But anyway, y'all, it's your boy, Big Fam, going ham. And you know we slamming, baby. Let's go. We out.